Rohit, you will always have the burden of legacy. You'll always have the burden of politics. But you're viewed as a next-gen young leader, right? And you would hopefully bring a newness to politics, which, especially like a state of Maharashtra, is extremely jaded with. What, as per you, is your definition of politics, and what are you going to be doing differently than possibly your uncles have done?
See, if you ask about my grandfather, his politics has always been developmental politics. So what I believe is I also have to do the same. It has to be developmental politics. We have to work on education. We also have to work on infrastructure. We have to work on employment. So there are a lot of issues what we have to work on. But if you talk about what I define, how I define politics is basically you have to work on real issues rather than, doing politics just to be in politics. So today, if you look at it, whether it is BJP or the alliance parties of BJP, what they do is they do caste-based politics. So development is not talked about. They are just building their politics on caste-based or, Hindu-Muslim, those issues, so which I feel are not the real issues. So we have to build our politics on real issues. We have to be pretty straightforward when we talk about Maharashtra or development of Maharashtra.